Hello, this is an ADE Optima compact alarm device. Now, this is how to fix if you've decided to switch the battery connectors the wrong way around, i.e. put the negative on the positive and the positive on the negative. So what you do is you take this off, flip this back, and what happens is if you put the two batteries on the wrong way around, this fuse here breaks all the time. So the way to compensate that is to repair it. So what you need to do is take this off, pull this off, like so, to get to the area of question. So here you've got four diodes for the mains, and there's two diodes here for the charging circuit. So let's switch over to the other camera. Right, there are the two fuses. As you can see, the battery one here is for this fuse here. Bell and strobe for bell and strobe. Right. So, here are the two diodes in question. So, what you do is you get a multimeter and you switch it to diode mode, and to test to see if this is the case, this has already been replaced, but you can see where I've resoldered this. So you go on to there. That's showing 0.4 volt, and if you show onto this side, open circuit. So this diode is right. However, if you get the battery terminal the wrong way around, this will blow, create a short, therefore the fuse will keep blowing every time you put the battery on. So what you do is you get any old circuit board. I got this diode from a Sky Plus box from the power supply. I desoldered this and soldered this back on with the new one, and subsequently it works. Now, the pin out of this is, you see this line here and this line here corresponds to the positive side. Same with this. Positive there, positive there. If you put it the other way around, it will not work. You do not really have to have the same ID. Any old diode will work, so long as it's a standard diode. You might be able to get away with a Schottky diode, might not, but it's worth a try if that's the only thing you've got. But as I say, quick fix will save the alarm panel.